Hey, what's up guys? If you are using Windows 11 and your PC feels slow or the battery drains way too fast, there's a good chance background apps are the reason. So if you want to stop those background apps and make your computer run smoother, this video is for you. In this quick video, I am gonna show you step by step how to do it the easy way. Alright, let's jump in. First, let me explain something real quick. When you turn on your computer, a bunch of apps automatically start running in the background. The moment your PC boots up, apps like BlueStack, Brave and other browser just start up on their own even if you are not using them. By default, most of these are turned on. So what you wanna do is go through them one by one and turn off the ones you don't need. For example, if you see BlueStacks or extra browsers that you are not using every day, you can disable them. But listen, this part is important. Always keep your security and system apps enabled. Don't turn those off. Everything else that not important you can safely disable. Once you do that, a lot of unnecessary background apps will stop running and your PC will already feel faster. Now let's talk about the second things most people do. A lot of times you will open something like Photoshop, finish your work and just close it. But here's the problem. A lot of apps does not fully shut down. They keep running in the background without you even knowing it. So to fix that, you need to open Task Manager. You can right click on the taskbar and click Task Manager or just press Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard. Once it opens, give it a few seconds to load everything. Now look at this list. These are all the apps are processing running on your system. Anything you are not using like Notepad, extra tools or even OneDrive, if you don't need it right now, you can click on it and hit End Task. Same things with Resume and other unnecessary background process. Just make sure you don't close anything related to Windows or security. So yeah, anytime you see apps running in the background on Windows 11, this is how you shut them down. Do this regularly and your PC will stay faster, smoother and more responsive. On this channel, I keep things simple and share short video that's actually help you. So make sure you subscribe, and if you are having any problem with your PC, drop it in the comments. I will try my best to cover it in a future video. I will see you in the next one.